Come on, jump. Jump. Very good. Jump. Keep jumping. Ashway. Can you see the 100? No cheating. No, see the how they jumping continuously. Jump again, jump again, jump again, jump again, jump. Try. Push yourself. Emma, keep jumping. See them how they're jumping. Akash Krishna and Karthik is doing good. Continue jumping, very good. Jumping like a rabbit. Like a leopard. See the mat, sit down and jump. Sit down the mat. 100. Once you done push-ups. 100 push-ups on the I can put the knuckle on the floor, whatever. Once you done do 50 sit-ups. Continuously, that's the way good. How many? Try. You want to relax and again jump. Try, don't sit down. See the pad and jump. I was jumping on the concrete. There are tiles, no, in the grading. Sit-ups, 50, 100. 50 is minimum. 100 is your choice. Sit-ups, go back a little more. Go back, go, come inside. They are start. 50 must, 100 your choice. Go. So that, be honest. Pump, like spring. 1, 2, 3, 4, like speed. No fully, down. Pump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Hand back. Sit, get up. Use your knee. Use your thigh. Use the weight on the butt. Use the butt. Pump. Try. Lock the hand and do. So no pain, no gain. As you come inside, between Archit, come middle. Amado, you come this way. Come on, what do you do? Why are you standing? Non-stop is a grading. Karthik will explain the way. When you do exam in Indonesia in front of Kancho, then you'll understand how difficult to get a belt. 50, 100, 50 is minimum. 100 is your choice. Push-ups, once you done abdomen, 50 abdomen. Try, does it get strong? Does it get champion? Does it get stronger? Life is not easy. 50, hello. How many? Okay, get up, do abdomen. You're not coming training, do abdomen. Girl, hand back, up, clap. 1, 2, 1, single, do only one. Jump 1, 2, jump 2. No, not that one. Hand back, touch and go, leg 1, down, 2, that, 3, leg down, seam. 50. Under your choice. Both legs same time up. Both legs same time up. Pump, like a ball, pitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep hand in my back, Akash Krishna, little, see, body position okay, chest front. Use the chest, that. See straight, see the mirror. Keep pumping. Come on guys, show how strong you are. Hey, body more up, cheating, this little bounce of the body. That. No pain, no gain, pump. Yes, sit down. You don't do. You do. Full round. Come full round. Next, you. Come. Full round. From the once you reach the cock. I have a case now, I should do something, that's why I'm sending him. We have a lot of things to do still. Don't think everything is done. Next trading I'll tear. Move. There, duck off from there. Frog jump. Duck off. You must not get up. Come on, Purushottam. Very good. Move, move. Hey, cheat. I saw the video to your father, right? I'll zoom you. देखो पापा को भेजूंगा अभी ट्राई सी द बॉय इज डूइंग वेरी गुड स्मॉल बॉय मूव ओटेक कम ऑन द मैट ओटेक गो डक वॉक फ्रॉम द डक वॉक this is the way I trained when I became father. I was going out with the son. This is the way I trained. I became a champion now. It's not easy. As a parent, they asked me to join. Move. Duck walk. Done. Front roll from your mat. A lot of the edges came out. Put it inside this one. You can see that, no? Come here. Hey. From here. Roll. Front roll. Crawl. Go. Roll. Come here. Here. On the mat. Roll. Move. Roll. Palm. Again go. Full round. Go, you must go to coke. You only. Go now. Front roll. Come first. Hey, you go down. Move. Full down. Now from there, back roll. Roll. This is mat on mat, roll chema. Roll on the mat. You can do. This is very soft. Roll. That's it. Do something. Move. Roll. Hey, don't fall easy. Come this side and fall. Don't fall on them. Sanjay, help them. Push the paw there. Go this side. What are you doing? Come this side. Put them this side. Come this side. Outside. One roll easy. Thala roll பண்ணுங்க. பையன் போட்டுறான். அப்படி போய் பண்ண. Roll. தலை வைக்கல. Roll. தலை. அவ்வளவுதான். Very good. Super. Back roll, front roll. Front roll. Before it was feel difficult, now we got a mat. Roll. Very good. Vipin. Good. Roll. Roll. See this boy does roll. Roll. See it. See? Very good. Mikil Larson. Very good. See? Move. Move. Shashank, go fast. He's doing good. Purushottam is doing. See front roll easily. Neenu ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ. Roll. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Very good. See? Go the side. You'll go to the roll on you guys. Move. The monster is coming. Hello. Move. Back roll, front roll. See, you did. The knee, there's no problem for the knee. Back roll. Talga chora. Avladhan. Very good Purushottam. Push your body. Push. Move. You come middle. Roll like this. From here you roll from there. Roll, go. Sit leg wide. Keep the hand weight. Put your head. Roll. Pump. Aste. Super. Ramasamy. Sanjay Ramasamy. Very good. The third is again. This side to roll. This side. Do. This side to roll. Bharataka, I know. Do. That's the way you get. Move. You see the amen here. Yes. One more. Move. Very good. Get up now. Now relax and take breath. See, frog jump. Speed. A small round. I say get up. Now school for all. Kazi, do as much as you can. ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಆಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಕಾಲು ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೈಮ್ ತುಂಬ ತಗೊಳ್ತೆ. ಡಕ್ ವಾಕ್. Once you finish it tired, do duck walk. Come on, Rishi. You're tired, you do chimpanzee walk. Sanjay Ramaswamy, come inside here. Teach them, watch them, motivate them. What are you doing? These guys are beast. Cheetahs, lion, huh? Tigers. Chimpanzee walk. Yes, keep the hand on the mat and you put the leg on the floor. Move. Move, chimpanzee walk. Aaron, chimpanzee walk. Move faster. How long you do? Come on. Always I can do on the mat, front roll, side corners, front roll, corner of the mat, pump, give. You can do dive roll. You already got dive. See, you can do this way, this space. You dive, like in the water, in middle, come there. From there, dive and you can do, see, you can do or not, see, check. Don't damage yourself. If you can do it, try. That. From the side. Again, go from there, jump from the side. Stand on the mat only, don't go down. Stand on the mat, jump, dive roll. Do now. Back roll. Stand on the mat, yes. Do it on that friend. Yeah, do from there. You can do handstand. Go middle, keep the leg up and try to walk in the leg. Try that. Balance yourself and keep walking the hand. Somebody can stand, handstand and walk. You're already in the mat, no problem. Keep leg up, balance yourself and walk. Learn. Yes, do it, try it. Try some handstand. Don't bend, stand up and breathe. This is balance your body. Learn. You mat, you got to see that we're doing in the mud only. Now see, you got a good one here. Somebody can try that one, handstand, hand walk. That's it, walk with the hand. Try, come on the mat, try that. Next.